Welcome to world-famous Cappadocia, a place that is very well known especially thanks to Instagram. Hundreds of hot air balloons in the air, fascinating underground cities, breathtaking sceneries all around the region, and unique cave hotels that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. But does reality live up to Instagram? Why is it so popular? Let's find out. Today we are starting our journey from a car because we are going from Antalya to Cappadocia. It's been on my bucket list for quite some time. Cappadocia literally means the land of beautiful horses in Persian. It's very famous because of its rock formations and also because of the hundreds of hot air balloons. We just arrived to Cappadocia and it's sunset here and it's beautiful. We've seen first rock formation, so cool. I'm so excited to see more. The landscape here is something I've never seen anywhere else in the world. Okay, it's evening and we are going now for dinner. I love this place already. We are here for 3 days and I can't wait to start exploring it since tomorrow morning. So yay! Tonight we are trying pide, which is basically a Turkish style pizza. One with minced meat and cheese, and the second one is vegetarian with spinach, and they both look awesome. These little plates as appetizer, they call them meze, and they give it to you always or usually for free on the house as a welcome. And now we have to go home and go to bed early because tomorrow we get up at 3:30 to catch the sunrise in the hot air balloon. So good night! Good morning, it's 4 AM and hot air balloons are ready for us. How about you guys, but I see a bunch of penises. Look at the sunrise. Landing position. And we have a champagne party at 6 in the morning. It was one of the best or strongest experiences in my life. I had such a high expectations. It was even better than my wildest dreams. The price of the hot air balloon ride was $200. I was actually for 5 seconds wondering if it's really worth it, if I want to do it, and oh my god, this was absolutely incredible experience. We took a little nap after the balloon ride and it's now 10 AM and we are going for breakfast to the terrace. We are all packed and ready to explore Cappadocia. The first thing we're gonna start with is Uchisar Castle, which is the highest point in the whole Cappadocia region. And there is beautiful, magnificent panoramic view. But the castle used to be very important for defense, but right now it's only empty rooms. We've made it to the top! Okay, it wasn't that hard, it was just a couple of stairs, but there are beautiful panoramic views all over the region. We just arrived to the Devrent Valley, which earned its name because of the penis-shaped fairy chimney formations that can reach up to 30 meters. And our our next stop is Devrent Valley, which is also called the Imagination Valley, and that's because of all these rocks that have different shape, so it's up to your imagination if you see an animal or any other figure in them. It's lunchtime here in Cappadocia and we're going to a very cute little restaurant that is in between these rocks formation. We ordered sacstava, which is diced beef, and also mante, which is this Turkish ravioli, which I really came to like. This is the best menti I've had throughout the whole travels here. The yogurt, it can get really sour and sometimes it's just too sour, but this is just perfect. The owners here are super nice. It's a little restaurant, family run business, and they're very nice, very sweet. Lunch was spectacular, and now we have the last activity of the day planned, and that's horseback riding at sunset. And Lukáš has never ridden a horse before, so it's going to be first time for him, so I'm excited. It's 5 AM and that's exactly the time when all these balloons go up, so that's the time you want to be at some panoramatic viewpoint. There are plenty of viewpoints all over Göreme. We didn't want to get up at 4:30 AM again, but I am so glad we did. Important things to know is that not every day have the balloons fly up because of the wind. They always need to check the weather, and if the wind is, I think, over 15 kilometers per hour, the balloons cannot fly, or so if there's rain or any other conditions. If you have here 2 or 3 days, you really need to make them count. We are officially starting our day by exploring one of the underground cities. These underground cities are quite fascinating because they were all built in the 7th century BC by Christians who were hiding from religious persecution. We are now going to an underground city called Kaymakli that goes 8 floors below the ground. However, only 4 are open to public, and the 4th floor goes 20 meters below the ground. These kind of places. This is so cool. These little shelves that you see here, they were here for candles to bring a little light. This is a little bit claustrophobic. So small, but so exciting. Always when you see a hole, just go in. That's the rule here. Look. There is room after room after room to explore. Endless options here, and you can get lost easily. Definitely not for volleyball players. And now we were just flying our drone for like 20 minutes. We got some amazing shots and we continue exploring. We will drive around to see a couple of more valleys. So yeah, let's go. This is the top of the world and you can see the red valley right behind me. They are the most beautiful views and red pinkish rocks for hiking. This is absolutely perfect. If I should compare it to some place I've been before, I would definitely say the west coast of the US and its national parks. Right next to the Red Valley is a Göreme open-air museum, which is UNESCO World Heritage Site, and inside you can find beautiful churches from Byzantine era that are carved into the rock and that have beautiful paintings inside. The paintings on the church's walls are incredible, but unfortunately the most beautiful ones I'm not able to show you because it's prohibited to take pictures of these, so you have to take my word for it. Here you can see beautiful view of the whole site. You pretty much walk around here and visit each church. Let me give you a room tour because this cave hotel is so beautiful. It's a simulation of a cave. Look at the terrace of our hotel. And here we have the Instagrammable seating. Oh my gosh, from here you can watch the balloons. Okay, so now when we managed to open the door, I will show you how beautiful the room is. It has 2 floors. Here we have the most beautiful bedroom. Look at the details on the wall. And here we have bathroom. It is huge. This is unreal. Sunset was absolutely breathtaking and it got cold really fast, so we are heading to the restaurant to get dinner for our last night in Cappadocia. Good morning guys, we are just finishing our breakfast and we'll be on our way to Ankara, the next city on the list in Turkey to explore. This is it for the Cappadocia travel video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it means so much to me, and see you in the next video.